right, everybody. Beautiful day here in Volo, Illinois. It's time to go for a cruise. Today is a 1967 Chevelle SS. It's a true SS. 138 is in the VIN. 396 underneath the hood with a Muncie 4-speed manual. The engine's probably a little built. Probably got a little bit of a lumpier cam in there. It just runs great, sounds great. Had a chance to loop this one around the block and I'm really impressed. I like the fact that it's kind of a stripped down version, if you will. It's got the bench seat here, everything you need. 4-speed shifter, big motor. There's no power steering on it. And yeah, I just love it. It's just got a fantastic feel to it. Real muscle car here. See, power disc brakes, stop nicely. Yeah, this one did go through our shop. We addressed a few minor issues on it. Our build totaled about $2,500 that we put into it. It's a fresh build, and it just needed a little finishing off that we did complete. So it's good, ready to cruise now. And let's see what she's got. All right. Good accelerator, more than enough power. Frame off restoration, awesome build. 1 year only, Royal Plum color, and I absolutely love it. Gorgeous out in the sun. Let's see how she goes down the road. Absolutely straight. Look at that. Feel like I could take a nap here. Holy cow. This car's really dialed in. Lots of fun. Got a nice digital radio there. Triple gauge underneath the dash, monitoring all the vitals. Great oil pressure. Temperature's consistent. It's charging well. Also got a little blinker tack up here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it in the camera. But yeah, beautiful, comfortable seats. Just a nice cruiser. I think the only thing that I would change on this car is probably this rear view mirror. I don't know, it's just got a couple little fog spots on it. Other than that, this car is 100%. Totally awesome. Like I said, the shop took care of any minor issues that were that were kind of loose ends from the build, and as a result of that, yeah, everything's in working order except the clock. The clock is not in working order. So yeah, if you want to come test drive it yourself, you're more than welcome to do so. Contact our sales department. Eric or Joey would be more than happy to help you out. If you need to fly in, we're only about a 40-minute drive outside of O'Hare International Airport. You don't have time for all that. You can absolutely hire a third-party inspector as well, and they can give you a thorough report on that. If you're not familiar with an inspector, go ahead and ask our sales team for a referral, and they can do that for you. But as I see it, it's a fantastic vehicle. This is a true muscle car, and I like it. I think you will too. Look at all the pictures, details, and the full description on volocars.com.